Well guys, I'm actually going to break down the top 3 reasons why I strongly disagree with offering free trials for your social media marketing agency services. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Montel Gordon here. If you're new to the channel, by the way, make sure you drop me a like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new upload regarding SMMA and all that sort of good stuff. That really does help me out with the algorithm, and it helps me spread my message to more people, and hopefully I can impact more lives, because that's what we're trying to do with this channel. So guys, in today's video, I want to break down the top 3 reasons why I strongly disagree with offering free trials at your social media marketing agency. Now, I'm going to jump straight into this and try to keep this short and sweet. But first and foremost, yes, I've offered free trials before. No, they have never ever gone well, as in I've never actually got hired after that. In fact, if you look back on my channel, guys, there's actually a couple videos I mentioned where I actually was working with a dental practice and I actually killed it for them. And let me give you some results here. They were generating actual leads, or consultation leads, around £70 per lead. I came in, started running Facebook ads for them over like a 14-day free trial or something like that. And I was able to half their cost per lead, as in I was able to basically almost double their business. Think about it. I was taking the same amount of money and investing it into Facebook ads. Well, it wasn't actually the same amount of money, but with a certain amount of money, I was able to get their cost per lead down, and the leads were actually higher quality as well, from £70 per lead to £31 for a even higher quality lead than they were getting with Google ads. Now that basically means that if they was to take whatever they were spending, which is, I think it was around £7,000 at the time per month on their Google ads, and put into Facebook ads, and the cost per lead stayed steady, as in it stayed at £31 per lead, I was actually doubling their business, as in I was pulling in double the amount of leads, and they were still even higher quality leads because we had the actual application form where it pre-qualified the leads as well. So they were even higher quality leads than what they were getting. And guys, even when I was generating these leads and actually generating them actual people showing up to their actual dental practice, I still didn't get hired over the 14 days. So guys, with that being said, let's jump into the top 3 reasons why I believe you should never offer a free trial. So number 1 is that, first and foremost, I just think that a 7-day free trial, a 14-day free trial, or even a 30-day free trial, if you're doing those, I don't think you should definitely be doing those. I just don't think that's a long enough period of time to actually optimize ads and get results that are really going to satisfy your client and actually show them that you're worth the £1,000 per month, £2,000 per month, whatever it is you're trying to charge them. But guys, like I was saying, I don't think a 7-day trial is even worth you even thinking about. 7 days is just nowhere near enough. 14 days is, I guess, a little bit longer, but it's not worth it. In 30 days, yes, you can probably get some results in 30 days, but that could be a fluke. Ads could not be optimized. There's so many variables that could come in and actually change this. Your results might not be typical of in that 30 days. It's not enough time to test this sort of shit. But guys, running ads for a client for like 30 days is just not enough time to optimize. And if it's for social media management, that definitely is nowhere near a long enough time to actually see if you're worth it or not. Again, with social media management, channel a social media account organically, it's going to take way longer than 30 days. So guys, you need to explain to clients if they ask for a free trial that you do not do them. Don't say you can't do them, say that you do not, because it perceives you as in a different light. You say, you know, I can't do something, they'll say, oh well, you can do, you just don't want to. So guys, saying that you don't do, you know, trials at your agency makes it sound like it's almost like your law, it's almost like it's set in stone almost. Whereas like saying I can't do trials, you know, makes it sound like you can kind of do trials, it's just that you don't want to do a trial right now. So guys, the second reason as to why I strongly disagree with offering free trials at your agency is people are actually loss adverse. So humans are loss adverse, meaning, let me give you a real life example. So let's say that I give you $100,000 right now. I say, look, John, I'm going to give you $100,000 right now. Whoever's watching this on the other side, let's say that I'm personally going to give you $100,000. You can use that money for anything you want to. There's no catch. There's literally no catch. I'm going to bank transfer you $100,000. You're going to get $100,000 in the next 10 seconds, and you can do whatever you want with it. You're going to think, awesome, that's great. So then guys, let's then say that I call you up in 3 days time and say, I need 50 grand back from you because I have this thing and that thing's popped up or whatever the excuse is, and say I have to take 50 grand back, and you then send me 50 grand back, you're going to be more focused on losing that 50k than you are, you know, having gained 50k. Because again, humans are what you call loss adverse. We focus more on the things that we've lost than what we've actually gained. We take a lot of things for granted and stuff like that. So guys, if you run a trial for a client for like 30 days or something like that, I get the idea of running trials and building your portfolio and stuff like that. But if you run a trial for a client for like 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, and at the end you try close them on a 1,000 per month, 2,000 per month, whatever your fee is, they're going to be more focused on losing you and your service for free. And now they're going to be focusing on and fixating on the fact that now they have to pay you 1,000 a month for what they were just receiving for free. So guys, that's the point number 2. So jumping into point number 3. So guys, the third and final point is we are worth more than a free trial. You see, our services such as Facebook ads, social media management, they are worth way more than a free trial. These are actual services that can actually help a business, especially Facebook ads. Management of an actual social account is still important for social ROI. Do not get it twisted, guys. Social ROI is important. Monetary ROI is just more important than anything else. That's the cash flow and cash line of their business. You need to show them that marketing is the way they're going to get new sales in and how important marketing is. And when it comes to Facebook ads, free trials, no, I don't think you should ever do them. You're worth way more than that. You're not going to have much time to actually produce awesome results. If you do produce awesome results, what's going to happen is they're going to be loss adverse and think about they just had your service for free and now they have to pay for it. So guys, I highly disregard and do not agree with you if you say that you should offer a free trial. I don't agree with it. I can understand where you're coming from, and here's what you should do instead, because I know that a lot of people out there are going to be like, yeah, offer free trials because it's going to help you build up your portfolio. But guys, look, listen to this. You guys are building an agency. You shouldn't even be the person in your agency delivering the services anyway. What you should do is have a Rolodex of people you know you can turn to whenever you get a social media management client. So for example, you can literally go to Upwork, find people who have already got great results managing accounts for their clients. So you want to go and find freelancers to actually do this, because if you're trying to build an agency here, you're trying to build a real business, and building a business means you actually manage people and you put the right people in the right place to deliver the certain services that you provide or the certain products. But guys, think about it like this. You would never see Elon Musk building his own cars, for example. He just puts the people in place, comes up with the plans and whatnot, or whatever an Elon Musk does, whatever Elon Musk does, man. Guy's amazing, by the way. And you'd never see Tim Cook at Apple, for example, building iPhones. So you don't want to be the guy in the business actually providing the service. Now I know that this is against all popular belief that you should at least do one client and get a feel for it. But guys, there are already experts out there, freelancers out there that are better at you than what you are going to be able to reach their level and master in that particular time. You can literally just go in that time and just find an outsourcer and have them on Rolodex. So when you do close clients and you can use their results, and again, you just want to make sure that that's okay with your freelancer, that you're using his results and leveraging his name as like he's part of your team now. Because what's going to happen is when you do close a client, you're just going to turn around and go to that outsourcer anyway and get him to deliver results for your client. It's actually going to be a win-win-win situation, guys. So guys, I highly recommend you just go and find a couple of outsourcers that you know you can rely on when you close a client for Facebook ads, for social media management, and actually just get them to deliver the service. And that actually doesn't mean you need to pay them straight away. That means basically you're going to go and find clients, you're going to close those clients, you're going to know your service enough to close these clients. You're then going to turn around and hit up your freelancer and get them to deliver awesome results for your clients. You're going to leverage your freelancer's results to show your clients, yeah, this is what my team is able to do. And again, this is now probably going to become your team because you are going to use this dude time and time again to deliver results. So you can actually ethically say that, yes, this is what my team's able to do and this is what they've done in the past, which is generally what they've done in the past. Obviously, you want to make sure that your freelancer has obviously solid results and their own results. So guys, that's why I strongly disagree with free trials. Do not do them. They're BS. I've tried them, don't work. Even if you do kill the results, you still don't get clients. I mean, you can kind of build your portfolio, but again, the way around that is just go and find an outsourcer who has even better results and who's been in the game longer than you. And that just eliminates you having to be stuck in that mode of, oh, I don't know Facebook ads, so I can't close clients. No, there's no need to even think about that anymore. The new version of SMMA is just go and find an outsourcer from the beginning and literally just have them on Rolodex, close clients using his results. Again, that's an agreed verbal agreement you agree on, and everything works smoothly from there. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you have, please drop a like, comment below, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And guys, I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.